Today we're looking at the AMZCHEF 250 watt slow juicer, model number SJ036. As always, if you want to pick this up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. So the one I have here is in grey. You can also get it in three other colours: silver, black and green. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get an instruction booklet, 2 years warranty with this, a cleaning brush, they call this a pusher. So go in there like that if the fruit gets stuck. A cup for the pulp, cup for the juice. If you twist that, you can take it off. This has 3-stage filtration. You can see that the holes are slightly large at the top and then they get smaller as they go down. You have a little arrow there. That's what it looks like from in there. To lift this up, that little latch there, we push that towards us and that will lift up. Inside we have the auger. You can remove that as well to clean this. The extra bit would come out from here. The juice would come from here. They say this is non-drip. Pick this up. I will be showing you this in action as well. I thought we'll have a look at the parts first. Moving on to the bottom base. That's what it looks like from there. We have a decent sized cord because normally cords be right short for stuff like this. So at the back we have a dial. So you've got off, on and then reverse. If you get any food stuck, you can reverse it. At the bottom we have 4 suction pads and an information sticker. As I mentioned before, this has 250 watts. Also, I'll quickly mention you cannot put any of this in the dishwasher. You have to hand wash them. So to get started, we put this on first. We get the auger that sits in there. It just pushes in. If it doesn't, just give it a little twist. And this part, put it in. I'll just turn the machine around. You could see them cutouts there. They match up with them plastic parts there. It just clicks into place like so. Okay, so everything is washed and cleaned. We are ready to start making some juice. We have some oranges, apples and some watermelons. In the instruction booklet, it does say do not use fruits with large seeds. However, I thought, how can you remove seeds from a watermelon? So I thought, do you know what, I'll give it a go so you don't have to. So I'm going to make each juice separate. So we're not going to mix it up or anything like that. Before I put any fruit in, I just wanted to show you the function. If you lift the lid up, it will shut off. Turn it on. And when I put this back down, it starts again. That's a really good safety feature, that. That's off and reverse. That will go there. Let's start off with some oranges. We've peeled the skin off and we've broken them up into small pieces. Honestly, if only you could smell from the camera, that smells delicious. I'm going to add some more. By the way, that's the pulp. It still operates when you have the spout open. If anything were to get stuck in there, I could use this pusher and I'd push the fruit down. We used 8 large oranges and it's made 700 milliliters, roughly 700 milliliters of juice. The good thing about having a juicer like this, we drink this and the pulp, you can put it in a smoothie if you have a smoothie maker, or you could put it in a salad, or you could also put it in your compost bin. You can make fruit teas. There's so many things you can do with it. The main point what I'm trying to get at, it will not get wasted. Remove this, we just twist it the other way. Try to show you the feeding cup. We have some apple juice, lovely fresh apple juice, 600 milliliters, and it took us around 3-4 minutes. That was 6 apples in there. Washed the apples, chopped them up, put them in here, and we have fresh apple juice. One thing I forgot to mention, when you clean this bottom base where the pulp comes out from, you have this little rubber here which will be closed. Pull that out and then you'll be able to clean in there properly. Otherwise you're going to have a nightmare cleaning this. Once you've cleaned it, then just push it back in. Make sure it's on properly, otherwise it won't sit on the base. Make sure the bottom base is dry, not put wet items on the main base. Lastly, we are making some watermelon juice. This does have some seeds in, and in the booklet it does say do not put fruits with large seeds in. However, these seeds are not that large. I will be putting a few pieces in at a time, see how we get on. So let's put 2 in first. Since as that behaved really well, I'm just going to put all of it in. Who's got time nowadays to stand around there? For watermelon, we have just over 700 milliliters of juice. That smells delicious. Nice and smooth as well. There we go, my friends. That was the AMZCHEF slow juicer. So my overall thoughts, I absolutely love it. Honestly, I cannot pick a fault. It makes the juice nice and smooth. Having something like this is so convenient, saving a lot of money by making the juice yourself, and you can have whatever juice you want. Like we have 3 different juices here. I can highly recommend this product. If you want to pick it up or know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. And I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm off to enjoy my freshly squeezed juices now.